The loop. Breaking the invisible addiction. Today, I want to talk to you about something that perhaps no one tells you directly. Phone as soon as you wake up. Phone right before you sleep. And in between? Just a strange restlessness. This is not a weakness. This is a pattern. And patterns can be changed. Today, I want to share with you the steps that I followed myself when I was stuck in this same loop. So, just stay with me for a few minutes. This conversation will be useful to you. Tell me one thing. When was the last time you ate your meal without touching your phone? Just eating, and nothing else? You don't remember, right? Neither did I, and this is where the real talk begins. We are all running after something or the other. Someone is lost in reels, someone in gaming, someone is just scrolling, without any purpose. Drugs or alcohol are big things, but the real addiction is the one we don't even realize. And the most dangerous addiction is the one that is invisible. Listen to my own story. A few years ago, my routine was, wake up, pick up the phone. Go to sleep, put down the phone. Whatever happened in between was just to fill the time. There was no goal, no direction. Just a strange restlessness that I tried to fill with a screen every single time. And every time it felt like, just a little longer. Just one more video, just one more game, but that, little longer, never ended. So, what actually happens? Our brain has a reward system. Whenever we like something, whether it's chocolate, a song, or a meme, the brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Now the problem is, the more dopamine the brain gets, the more it starts demanding. And when it doesn't get it, a strange emptiness follows. Fatigue, boredom, irritability. And to escape that emptiness, we do the same thing again that makes us feel good in that moment. This is the loop. This is the addiction. So, how do we break it? First, admit that there is a problem. This sounds simple, but honestly, this is the most difficult step. We give ourselves many false consolations. I'm just relaxing. I'm tired. I need a little distraction. But the truth is, if you want to stop something and you can't, then it's an addiction. Everything else is an excuse. Second, don't just remove a bad habit, replace it. When I tried to reduce gaming just by quitting, I failed every time. But when I put something else in that time, workout, some creative work, real conversation, then things gradually change. Because the brain needs dopamine anyway, just let it get it from a healthier source. Work out, talk to someone from your heart, learn something. These things also give dopamine, but without the guilt. Third, find one thing that wakes you up. My gaming addiction left when I got so immersed in something else that I didn't even remember the games. You also need such a task, a goal, a passion, in front of which all these time-wasting things start looking small. When there is something exciting in life, there is no need for an escape. Fourth, look at the pain inside. At the root of most addictions, there is some pain. Loneliness, stress, the fear of not being able to achieve anything. We run away from that pain, and the screen provides an easy way out. Therefore, it is important to fix your sleep, meditate a little, talk to a real human being. When you are okay from the inside, the outside things will pull you less. Fifth, see yourself from a new perspective. One day I asked myself, do I really want to be that guy who wastes his whole day on a screen? The answer was, no. And that very day, something changed. We don't do what is right. We do what we feel we are. If you start considering yourself a disciplined, focused person, your habits will also gradually move in that direction. Change your identity, actions will change on their own. And the last thing, which is perhaps the most important, relapse will happen, and that's okay. One bad day doesn't mean everything is ruined. If the phone was used for 6 hours daily before and now it's once a week, then this is progress. Don't hate yourself, just come back. I myself have come from that place where it felt like this was life. But life wasn't this, it was just a loop in which I was stuck. And loops break, yours will break too. Just start, today, now.